Should we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Isabella's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making
cookies!
Cookies! But not just any cookie, we're going to be making a huge cookie with ice cream. Yeah! Should we get started? Yeah!
What is first?
Yeah! Oh my gosh! Okay, so what we've got in here is the butter and the sugars. We're going to cream them together with a whisk until it's nice and kind of white and creamy.
I'm mixing it.
You're going to mix it? Let's go.
Where's the whisk?
Where's the whisk? Get the whisk.
You forgot it, na 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 boo boo. You forgot it, na 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 boo boo.
That's really good. Really green stuff like that. So what you'll see at first is that you've got a lot of sugary crumbs and butter. Don't worry, just keep on going and it'll all start to mix in and cream up. As you can see, it's getting more like a creamy base. You did. It's looking more like a creamy base now. That's what you want. Oh my gosh! Set it up.
What does Toy Story 5 do to them?
I don't know. We've seen Toy Story 4, haven't we?
But what does happen to Woody in Toy Story 5?
I'm not sure. I've not made it yet, have I?
Well, I saw it.
You saw Toy Story 5? You liar.
When Grandma grinder the cookies.
Well, what happened in it?
I don't know. I didn't watch it yet.
You didn't watch it?
But I saw the page.
Oh, for Toy Story 5?
Yeah.
We saw Toy Story 4, didn't we? You tried that one? Yeah. Who was your favourite character?
I don't know.
George Parker. Was he funny? Why was he funny? What did he do?
He just said the toys were trash. And he just went in the bed.
And then his arms fall down. And he's like...
And he keeps running away.
He does. And he jumps in the bin.
and he just sleeps in the bed. He just sleeps in the bed.
Okay, do you want to chuck the chocolate in there? Perfect.
Yummy.
Yeah.
I like baking chocolate.
Do you?
Like that.
Yeah, it's
I
nice.
like the dark.
The dark one. Yeah, I think that's my favourite as well.
So I like eating it.
I know you do. You're supposed to put it in there. And then we're going to mix the chocolate chunks straight into the dough. Just get it all mixed in there. Just make sure as you go there's no flour at the bottom.
Squish it.
Yeah, squish it.
We want to squish. I'm going to squish the chocolate.
Okay, so when you've got that all mixed together, what we're going to do is we're going to stick it in the fridge for 1 hour, and that's just going to allow it all to kind of hold together. It's going to allow the flour to kind of absorb some of the wetter parts of the mixture, and it just means that it kind of holds its shape a little bit better, gives it a bit more sturdiness. But it's still going to be soft and melty in the middle. It's going to be like cookie dough. Okay, should we put that in the fridge? Yeah, and we'll see you in 1 hour. Okay guys, welcome back. It's been 1 hour. We've got our cookie dough. It's been in the fridge for 1 hour, and we've got a skillet here that we're going to put it into. So the skillet we're using is 12 inches.
Is it hot?
No, it's not hot yet. We're not putting it in the oven.
It's not hot.
No, it's not hot.
It's quite cold.
So we're going to spoon it into there.
To get the chocolate.
Yeah, get the chunks as well.
Oh, that's big.
Yeah, get them all nice and spread out.
Get it out. Okay, not break it. I don't want to break it. Oh, ah! I can't lift it. Okay, that piece.
That's it, perfect.
I don't want to get my hands dirty. Dude. I don't want to get my hands.
Alright guys, so we've spread that out evenly, and we're going to put that into the oven for 20 minutes, and we'll have a look at it then. It's going to look amazing. Okay guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. We've had an absolute ball making this, and we can't wait to tuck in. Make sure that you send us your pictures on Instagram, so if you make a cookie like this, make sure that you let us know your name, where you're from, and what ingredients you put in there, and there's a chance that you may get featured at the end of one of our future videos. So it's isabella's.kitchen.adventures, okay? Okay, so we've got new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, but make sure that you click subscribe and turn your notifications on, because we never know when there'll be new videos. So we're going to tuck into this now. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!